Okay, welcome to Hunt Motors. Hunt Motors Imports here in Indianapolis, Indiana. We're going to make a quick video of our 1993 Toyota Aristo. And I'll do a quick walk around here. So what you're looking at is a Japanese import, and I don't mean a domestic import. This is actually a car that we imported directly from Japan. This car has approximately 79,000 kilometers, which I believe equates to around 47,000 miles, give or take. In Japan, they have their own style of Carfax and history report. This came back as a one owner, no accidents, and it shows. I mean, this car is unbelievably gorgeous. Step back here and show you a nice side view. This would be equivalent to probably like a Toyota Camry, a Lexus GS 300 series car. And the reason I'm kind of going around it really slow is so you can see any body defects, which hopefully you've already found that there are none. The body on this thing is unbelievably original and in brand new like condition. Now you might find the slightest little mark here and there, but it is really hard to find. There is no hail damage. There are no dents, dings, anything of that nature. This thing is really, really, really sharp. And I wish the sun would come out a little bit more so I could show you the paint. This is an actual pearl white. Kind of get up close here. Yeah, this is a pearl white, and then it's got a pearl tan two-tone on the lower side of the car.